Do you ever see those videos of cats blissfully snuggled up on someone's lap and just think, why isn't that my cat? You want that cozy, purring companion on the couch. But instead, you get a flash of fur disappearing under the bed the second you walk in the room. You're left wondering if you'll ever have that trusting bond. If you're asking yourself if your scaredy cat can ever become a cuddle bug, I'm here to tell you absolutely yes. It isn't magic. It's about patience and learning to speak their language. I'm going to show you the exact gentle techniques I use to turn my own fearful cat, Jasper, from a shadow who lived under the sofa into the best friend I always knew he could be. Hey there, fellow cat people, and welcome. Helping a fearful cat learn to trust you is one of the most rewarding things you can ever do. It's a journey that demands patience, but every tiny step forward feels like a huge win. Before we get into the how, we have to understand the why. Why is your cat so scared? Trust me, it's rarely personal. A cat's fear usually comes from a lack of socialization as a kitten, a bad past experience, or even just their genetics. They aren't rejecting you. Their survival instincts are kicking in. In their minds, anything big, new, or loud could be a predator. Our job is to gently show them that we aren't a threat, but a trusted friend. This process can't be rushed. It might take weeks or even months, but if you follow these steps, you can build a foundation of trust that will last a lifetime. The why. Understanding feline fear. First, let's put ourselves in their paws. Imagine being tiny, not speaking the language, and living in a world of giants who move unpredictably and make sudden loud noises. That's the daily reality for a scared cat. They see everything from a prey animal's point of view, where direct eye contact and sudden movements feel like an attack. If a cat wasn't handled much by people between 2 and 7 weeks of age, that fear can get hardwired into their personality. When a cat gets scared, its number one coping mechanism is to hide. This isn't them giving you the cold shoulder. It's their instinct telling them to find safety. Their world is built on routine, so when that routine gets disrupted, their anxiety spikes. This means the first step isn't about changing the cats, about changing their environment and our approach to them. Punishing a cat for being scared by yelling or spraying them with water will only confirm their worst fears and shatter any trust you might have. Everything we do from here on out is all about being a source of calm, positive, and predictable vibes. The how, a step-by-step guide. Tip 1. The sanctuary. Create a safe space. Every cat, especially a timid one, needs a sanctuary. This is your non-negotiable first step. A safe space is just a spot in your home where your cat can retreat and know, without a doubt, they will never be bothered. This could be a quiet spare room, a closet with the door propped open, or even a big cardboard box on its side in a corner. Make sure this sanctuary has all the essentials: food, water, a litter box, and comfy bedding. It's also crucial that these resources are away from any other pets. That might be a source of stress. And here's the golden rule of the safe space. The cat is in charge. You never, ever force them out. That's like breaking into their house. It destroys their entire sense of security. Also, think vertical. Cat trees, or even a clear spot on top of a sturdy bookcase. Give your cat a safe perch to watch the world from above. Being up high gives them a sense of control. By providing these safe zones, you're giving them the power to choose when they interact, which is the key to building their confidence. Tip 2. The art of being a human statue. Let them initiate. All right, this is where your patience gets a real workout. With a scared cat, less is always more. Your new job is to become a calm, non-threatening piece of furniture. That means no chasing, no cornering, and absolutely no holding them against their will. Forcing contact will only send their anxiety through the roof. Instead, try this. Go into the room where your cat is. Sit on the floor to make yourself smaller and less intimidating. And just ... exist. Bring a book or your phone. Don't stare at them. Just read, work, or quietly scroll. You can speak in a soft, calm voice now and then to let them get used to your sound. The goal is for them to watch you from a distance and decide on their own that you're not a threat. Let your cat set the pace for every single interaction. If they peek out from under the couch, just ignore them. If they take a step towards you and then run away when you move, that's okay. Turn your back and walk away to show you're not pursuing them. Cats are curious. By playing a little hard to get, you become an interesting puzzle instead of a scary monster. Eventually, that curiosity will win out, and they'll start to creep closer. Tip 3. The slow blink speaking cat. Once your cat seems okay with sharing a room with you, it's time to start communicating in their language. And one of the most powerful ways to do that is with the slow blink. In the cat world, a hard, direct stare is a challenge. But a slow blink is the exact opposite. It's a kitty kiss that signals trust and tells them you mean no harm. Here's how it works. From a distance, when you catch your cat's eye, slowly close your own eyes, as if you're gently falling asleep. Hold them closed for a second, then slowly open them. You can even turn your head slowly to the side afterward to double down on the "I am not a threat" message. You're basically telling them, I trust you enough to close my eyes around you. I'm relaxed, and you're safe. Don't worry if they don't do it back right away. But if you do this consistently, one day you'll see them return the gesture. When your cat slow blinks back at you, that's a breakthrough. It's a sign they're starting to see you as a friend, not a foe. Tip 4. The power of positive reinforcement. Bribery works. Positive reinforcement is your secret weapon. You want your cat to think good things happen when that human is around. And the best good thing is usually a really, really good treat. I'm not talking about their everyday kibble. Think of the special stuff. Tiny bits of tuna, chicken-flavored baby food. Make sure it has no onion or garlic. Or those lickable tube treats that make cats lose their minds. Start small. While you're just chilling in the room, casually toss a treat in their general direction. No big deal. Over time, toss the treats a little closer to you. The next step is to place a treat on the floor right beside you. Your ultimate goal is to have them feel brave enough to take a treat right from your outstretched hand. Just remember to let them come to you. Don't move your hand toward them. Use this trick to reward any brave behavior. Cat comes out from under the bed. Treat and some soft praise. Cat stays in the room while you get up and walk around. Treat. You're basically rewiring their brain to associate your presence with something awesome. Tip 5. The gentle touch, earning the cuddle. And at last, the moment we've all been waiting for. Physical touch. But just like everything else, this has to be on their terms. You have to ask for permission. When your cat is relaxed near you, maybe after taking a treat from your hand, slowly extend your index finger towards their nose. This is the cat handshake. Let them sniff you. If they lean in for a sniff, or even better, rub their cheek against your finger, you've just been given consent to pet them. Start with the spots where they have their happy scent glands, their cheeks, behind their ears, and under their chin. Avoid petting the top of their head or their back at first. And definitely stay away from the belly and tail. Those are vulnerable spots. Keep the petting short and sweet. Just a few gentle strokes, and then stop. Always leave them wanting more. Pay close attention to their body language. If you see flat ears, a twitching tail, or big pupils, stop right away and give them space. By respecting their no, you show them they're in control, which builds an incredible amount of trust. Then one day, after all this patient work, it will happen. They might hop onto the couch next to you. They might start needing a blanket beside you. And then they might just take that final leap of faith and curl up on your lap. When they do, you'll know it's more than just a cuddle. It's a testament to the trust you've both worked so hard to build. Turning a scaredy cat into a cuddle bug is a marathon, not a sprint. It's all about patience, empathy, and being consistent. Just remember the basics. Create a safe space. Let them call the shots. Speak their language. Reward their bravery. And always respect their boundaries. Every cat is different. Some might become total lap cats, while others might just show their love by sleeping at the foot of your bed. Both are huge signs of success. The bond you build this way is special because you truly earned it. You showed a fearful little creature that the world can be safe, and that a human can be a source of love. The first time your one skittish cat purrs for you, bumps their head against your hand, or finally settles into your lap, you'll know every single patient moment was worth it. If you found these tips helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more cat care advice. I'd love to hear about your experiences too. Share your success stories or your biggest challenges in the comments below. Let's build a community where we can all support each other in creating stronger, more loving bonds with our cats. Thanks for watching, and happy cuddling.